So I'm here with Dave Wright from SolidFire. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about what you do?
Sure. So SolidFire is a next-generation storage company. We're focused on building a scale-out storage system for high-performance primary storage in cloud computing environments.
Cool. And you're based on solid state?
Yeah, exactly. The entire system is solid state, no spinning disks whatsoever. And really the use of solid state is driven by a desire both to get the performance that's needed to serve a large number of applications, as well as reduce the operational costs of power, cooling, all of that.
So, I mean, solid state's kind of is the ultimate nirvana for everyone, but it's always been an issue around price.
Sure.
How does it compare? What you can deliver storage at?
Well, so it's kind of surprising. I think flash has a reputation as being expensive, but a lot of what we're doing is working to make it affordable. In fact, in a lot of cases, make it similar or less expensive than disk on a $1 per gigabyte basis. A couple of ways that we do that. One is simply by allowing you to have a much higher utilization of your storage capacity than you would get with a traditional disk-based system. Because we've got the performance of flash, you're not limited by performance. You're not having to short stroke drives or leave space set aside simply to get the performance that you need for your application. So one is simply we can run it at a much higher utilization. But beyond that, the architecture has been designed around efficiency features like compression, deduplication, thin provisioning. Being able to run those things in real time without affecting performance just gives you tremendous amounts of effective capacity, brings down that cost per gigabyte even further.
And so I take it you're using generic hardware and wrapping some software on top of that?
Yeah, so it's industry standard hardware, Intel-based servers, 2.5-inch SSDs. All the real magic is in the software that we put on top of that to cluster the systems together in a scale-out storage architecture and provide all the functionality that we need.
I guess from my question from a business perspective is that as more and more storage becomes commoditized, I would imagine there's a threat there from SSD manufacturers and vendors that do what you're doing themselves to sort of ease some of the pain from commoditization. How are you going to respond to those sorts of threats?
Yeah, so I think what we do adds a lot of value on top of the actual components. The drives and the drive vendors, they're going to continue to get better and faster and cheaper. But at the end of the day, you need a storage system, and those people are not likely to actually build entire storage systems on top of those components. We'll certainly see competition from other storage vendors, other storage companies that are trying to build all solid-state storage systems. But I think the unique approach to our architecture, the advantages we have both in terms of performance as well as efficiency, are certainly going to make our system stand out.
And what sort of size organization is your target customer?
So we're primarily selling to cloud service providers right now. So folks that are building infrastructure as a service type clouds to serve thousands to tens of thousands of customers in their own environments.
Sure. So that's SolidFire.
Thank you very much.